Okay, we are now at the task 4, all right, mail merge, task 4. Okay, so from here, okay, we are supposed to create a mail merge using this file, which is a RTF file, all right, so N220 sponsor, which is this file, see, it's a RTF file, all right, so this is the master file, and this file over here, which is a N22 rank RTF as the data source file, which is this one over here, N220 rank RTF file. Right, so let me open this file first. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so it has a lot of spaces here. Some things are already done for you. All right, so look at the next instruction. Replace all these text in the master document. Remember which one is the master document? This is the master document. Okay, the master document with the merge field from the data source. So take this as your data source, right? And this table here is your instruction. So you see the first family, address is all this. See? First family, right? Address, postcode. Okay, so all these are to be replaced by all these things over here. But these are not the actual uh, text. These are fields from the source. Okay, so how do you do the mail merge? All right, so of course, to do the mail merge, it will actually be inside the mailing. See, you can see this one, mailing, and you can actually start the mail merge from here. Start the mail merge, but you can make use of the wizard. See, the wizard is here, step by step mail merge wizard. All right. So you can see what type of documents are you working on. So you can see what type of documents you are. All right. Right now, this one looks like a letter. So I'll go to the next. Right. So how do you want to set up your letter? Right. I'm not going to use a template. Okay, I'm not using an existing document. I will use the current document that is already open here. So I'm using the current document. All right. And okay, all right. What is my list? Is it an existing list from Outlook? No, it's not from Outlook. Do I want to type a new list? No. So I'm going to use an existing list because I'm going to use this one. Remember the N220 rank.rtf. So I'm going to use an existing list. How do I bring it in? There is a browse. See that? So I will go to where I keep the file and 220 rank. Sorry, this one over here and 220 rank. Okay, sponsor is the master, rank is the source. So I'll take the N220 rank and open. All right, so now I get to check. Okay, are all these my data? Right, these are all data from that particular N220 rank file. Okay, so all right, looks good. Okay, so now I'm inside here. I already have this file. Time to write my letter. So now I have all my letter, everything over here. Okay, so now I will start to work on this. So first, I won't do everything. Okay, I don't think you want to see me do everything. First is first name. So I will need to replace this with first name. Where's first name? Right. Okay. look for the, oops, sorry, right, recipient, nope. Okay, this is the first name here. So I want to extract this. Okay, I want to extract this from, okay, so insert first name. So it will end up like this. Right, insert first name. So the next one, family, is the last name. So family, oh, I want the front part, okay, up to here. All right, insert last name. Okay, all right, okay, so you can see this. So go to insert, you can find everything inside here. Okay, and you just keep on doing this. Right, you just keep on doing this. So address one is street. So this one is street. Okay, address two is so you go through this whole table. All right, but of course make sure you have sufficient area for your spacing and so forth. Okay, because you're supposed to keep all the spacing, everything correct. Okay, so that requires a little bit of work. Right, once that is done, all right, you can preview your letter. So this is your first one, this is your second. You see this part here is already changed because it's taking from the data. So you have third, fourth, fifth, sixth, I don't know how many, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, okay, there's only 10. Okay, so there is only 10 for this particular uh, data source. Right, so one is done, you complete the merge. See that? Your merge is ready. Right? Your merge is actually ready. Of course, all these have to be changed. Remember, all these you need to change every one of the space on this table. Right? Even those down here. Okay, even those down here. All right. So once you're done, okay, you can start to merge it to a printer. Right. So of course, chances are you want to merge everything, right? Not just certain record or where to where you want to merge everything. So you just click OK. All right. In your exam, you are most likely going to print to a file. All right. So you're most likely will be told where to print to. But right now, I want to print to a PDF so that I can show you what actually happened. So I'm going to print this to a PDF and I'm just going to put it on the desktop. Mail merge result. Okay, let's just put it here. Mail merge result. So printed. Okay, I will save this file. So now I can get to close this file. All right, I get to close this particular file. All right, and this is my result. Okay, in PDF, you can see this is first letter, second letter, third, fourth, each one is different. See, each one is different, right? Fifth, right? Six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Of course, I did not leave a space here. Okay, so the formatting is a little bit off. Okay, so you can see the result is 10 letter, each one taking data from the RTF file here. So this is what you need to do for your exam, at least for the new merge.